Hello everybody, Max here. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can purchase products on HubbuyCN. So if you don't know what a HubbuyCN, it's an agent that offers very affordable shipping from China to Western countries. We had CN funds before, Pandabuy, and now we do have the HubbuyCN. Now, how to purchase products on this exact platform. First of all, of course, what you need are the original links to products. For example, here I've got this oud product that I want to purchase. So this is the Weidian link, and all I've got to do now is I will copy this link and paste it to the HubbuyCN search tab, like this. Now we can click on search, and just like this, here we have it. As you can see, it says kind reminder, the order size and EU size. So yeah, I have understood. And now it all gets displayed in here. So we've got different variants, we can see everything, how it all looks like. We've got different colors and stuff. So yeah, basically you just pick your size like on every other agent and then you can purchase that. So let's maybe hit 39 and I want to purchase this. So I have read and agreed, and I can either buy it just by adding to the cart and then purchasing, or I can just simply buy now. So let's click on buy now. Now we're gonna confirm our order. So let's see if it all works and is all looking how it should be. Yes, it is looking how it all should be looking. So let's hit on submit, and now we've got different payment methods. So as you can see guys, here we've got a lot of payment methods. I will use the balance for this one, but you can either use the BRX, Bytemax, PayPal, OneRway or whatever, Passion PIX, Alipay. As you can see here, we've got many different payment methods, but I will just stay with the balance because I have some money on there. So let's click on balance, and now all we gotta do is pay for that. So let's confirm the payment. And as you can see, now I've got it all secured. And now if I go to my account, user center, order menu, I can see my order in here. For the shoes, I paid $31.66. So guys, that's basically it on how to buy the products on HubbuyCN. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also guys, don't forget about my spreadsheet. We've got hundreds of different products in here. I highly recommend you guys checking them out. They're amazing. I love it. You've got 3,000 different products in here, so I'm sure you will find everything you want to. Thank you so much for watching. Please sign up to HubbuyCN with my link down in the description, and see you in the next video. Bye.